ప్రకాశం వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్.
Please come. Players, excellent sportsmanship. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Third prize, Krishna District. Third prize, Krishna District and the team. Captain and the team. Only one. You also come up. I got to say. Dr. Mohit, Krishna District Captain. Ladies, yeah. Fourth men's team, Kadapa. Players can come and join us here. Karimullah, captain. All the best. Very good job. Yeah. Men's team, first prize, Prakash women's team.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Come, captain to the top. The players can take a seat. Puma. Shiva Parvati, captain. Second place. Krishna and the team. Join. Rendamma Rendi. Krishna district ఒకరే వచ్చారు. ఒకరే ఉన్నారా? అందరూ వెళ్ళిపోయారా? Very good. All the best. All the best. Third place, women Kadapa. Next. Captain by number. Captain. Center, please. Congratulations. All the best, OI people, for showing sportsmanship. All the best. All the best.
ప్రకాశం వాళ్ళది తీలేదు, నేను అప్పుడు బయటికి వెళ్ళాను. ఇంతటితో వీడియో సమాప్తం. కర్వాది విలేజ్ టోర్నమెంట్ ఇంతటితో